In other news, now taking a critical view of the NEET entrance exam, the Madras High Court observed that instead of giving the expected results, it only benefited students who spent lakhs of rupees on coaching classes. The High Court said that the system puts rural students at a clear disadvantage and told the centre to take note of this. The court has also said that 48 students got medical seats without attending coaching classes, whereas 3,033 students secured admission after attending the coaching classes. Pramod, coming back to you on this, as we all know, NEET has been consistently shrouded with several kinds of controversy, and this is another one now where the High Court talks about, in fact, questions the centre on whether there is a disparity when it comes to making facilities available to the rural versus the urban students.
It surely is, and since 2016, we've been highlighting this issue, how kind of like a difference between the state board and the like CBSE has caused a lot of challenges to the students, where the students who are coming, 80% of students who study in Tamil Nadu come from state board schools, and they don't even cover what CBSE is covering. You can actually match it up to probably of 60% of whatever the CBSE students are studying, and that's the reason NEET coaching centers also boomed up. Unfortunately, there doesn't seem to be any kind of clamp over NEET coaching center, how much money they can charge as such. In fact, 2 months back, there was a huge raid in such NEET coaching centers where they recovered close to 150 crore rupees of undocumented property and money. So that kind of IT raid is also happening at the same point. Keeping all this in mind, the Madras High Court, when it was investigating the matter, where it has ordered a national testing agency to provide the fingerprints on the NEET impersonation case, the judges also observed that what is the point of bringing NEET if the students have to go ahead and pay 5 lakh rupees just to coaching centers to actually get a seat. So doesn't
Right.
actually rob the opportunity from the poor children? This was an observation that was made by the court, and not just that. The court also put forward a question to the central government asking if the BJP government is ready to capable of pulling back all the schemes that were brought by the Congress government. Why is that they haven't done so with NEET exams?
All right. So those are the questions the central government will have to now answer. Thanks very much for joining us, Pramod, with your inputs on this.